Hello and welcome to another Monkey Makes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, as it helps the channel pop up in the searches. And here we go. Okay, so it's a little embarrassing to say really, but we'll highlight this bit here. There's a massive hole in the back. I forgot all about it. Oops. Right. So let's fix this. Right, so Alt left click, select that. I think this just needs to come back a little bit. And if you press F for face, I'll tell you what, deactivate subdivide first. How can we do this? F for face. I like them too. Shift select, then press J to join. Again, J to join. J to join. Yes, you guessed it. Right. I have a feeling there's more vertices down this side than there is that side. In fact, I can see that straight away. So we'll just work around it. Turn these up nice and tedious. Oops, missed that one. Join. That's a 4, so that's okay. And once, there we go. But also, something I noticed is also, where's the images? There's a pipe here as well. Didn't even see that. Oh, easy enough. Let's chuck another pipe on it. You know what, also, I think I can push on them 3, 1, 2, 3 into tab. I think this just needs to be up a little bit higher. Alt Z for X-ray. Alt Z for X-ray. Oops, missed that up. Yeah, about there. Whichever looks best for you, I suppose. A little bit extra height. Okay, so highlight that, and these pipe things. So look at that image. It's this pipe here, this one here, the other side. So we'll just need to duplicate that. Let me show you. Yeah, you see, it's basically that at the other side, and that's connected to there. And by the looks of it, it comes down about just past halfway there. Answer that there. It seems on line with that there. So nice and simple. I like one of these on this port. Press L. Linked. That must have been just close enough. And we do a Shift D, X to slide it in that direction. Just drop it over there and do a. This is a nice trick. Scale in the direction you want it to scale. So X. Do a -1, and it flips the direction. Let's press Enter. Right, let's bring the charger back. Go into 1. How close that is. I could probably go closer to be fair, but slide it over there. Right, so do L on that one. We'll stop on number pad to zoom into it. They look strange colours, so do a Shift N. Oh, normals were around the wrong way. Right, so highlight that one again. I'll need to basically copy this. So go to 3, Shift D, Y, just put it a little bit fast. Move it up. There we go. Right, so do a Alt left click on there and do a Shift S. We shall go cursor to selected. Exit edit. I like this fella here. Go to 7. X-ray. Shift D. Duplicate it. Enter to drop it. And just do a Shift S again and then go selection to cursor. So that's going to pull this pipe to where the cursor is there. And all we need to do is just rotate it around and connect it to, come on, mouse, that one there. So nice and simple. We should do a tab. Maybe do it all. So you know what we'll do it outside there, do a rotate Z 90 degrees and enter. Right, but that's it. What's that doing all the way over there? G and Y. G and an X. Be handy if they, as you highlight them points there for manipulation, add the cursor on, but they don't. So this middle one, what we'll need to do first is, it might be easier to see, so if we come on to edit, highlight these connecting pipes /7 and edit again with just those pipes. And we'll drag it down to there. Highlight that last one, G, X, and do a G, Y, and line it up so it engulfs all of that. Then of course that pipe needs to go over the top of that. GZ. Go to line with it. And then we shall do a 5 on the end of there. Oh. Looks like it's connected on there now, doesn't it? With a little lopsided. So highlight that again. GY. Line it up a bit nicer. Why is it not doing that? Ah, that's why. This one here. What we could do is a scale Y on that one. Scale Z, lines everything up there. Go. Okay. Now we want this one from the top. Just drag that one up a bit. Then ones. Bring that over to there like that. So it's over and kind of like that. The little gap, I guess. I like that one. Scale Y 0, scale Z 0, so that lines are up. Down. I like that one. B. Just tidy up that curve. Same with this one. I like that. G. I like the middle. Move it. And realize they aren't in the right place. Finish the sentence. down a little bit, just so it looks evenly engulfed. Ooh. So, zoom into there, see what that looks like. Oh, tab. Oh, slash. I think that's too long. Grab them two, slide them to the left bit. Move it up. Move this one down, G, Z. So it stays around that. That one selected, GX. So it keeps a hold of that shape there, a little nicer. Go for that. So that is a complete supercharger. Why again did that word jump from my mind? If we want to faff a bit more, we could go a hole in there, but again, it's not going to really be seen, is it? Because once the correct lighting's in, you can barely see in there anyway. And it looks lovely. So we'll do a control S. I'm not looking for a thumbnail this time. Right, next, the wheels. Catch you in the next one.